It takes me less than 10 minutes to straighten my hair by using the viral comb that I found on TikTok. So today we're going to be doing it in real time. We've got 10 minutes on the clock because videos on TikTok can only go up to 10 minutes right now. So we're going to do it. I like to part my hair into threes. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that that's just always how I've like straightened my hair. And I got a haircut. I took off 4 inches, okay? I know it might not look like it, but I did. And I added some brown into it, which I made a video talking about that. So normally I will straighten it in like bigger sections, but a bunch of y'all were saying that it'll actually come better if I do little sections. So we're gonna do that today and see how that goes. So let's go. This is still like a big section. I've got my Tymo comb right here that y'all keep selling out. The only thing about these 10-minute videos in real time is that I said this last time too, I have to talk to y'all for 10 minutes. And while I love to talk to y'all, I just don't know why anyone would want to listen to me for 10 minutes, but I digress. Get another piece. Although a bunch of y'all were commenting saying that it was really relaxing to like watch me do my hair, which for me, videos that I find relaxing are like almost like dinner vlogs. That's why like I started making those on here, because I just find those so relaxing, you know what I mean? Like almost therapeutic. You can see my hair is definitely darker than it was last time. And also, some of y'all were asking about the heat setting on this. So there's 5 heat settings, and I'm using the middle one. So just because I know some of y'all were wondering that. I washed my hair last night also, and then I just like let it naturally dry overnight. And so that's how it got to this condition, because I brushed it, because I had to. Also, for this comb, I've been seeing like so many of y'all have been getting it, because like TikTok Shop has like a bunch of coupons right now, so check your TikTok Shop, because you might have some coupons in there. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So I say it all the time, but with a traditional straightener, my hair takes about 30 minutes to straighten. And I just think that it's the type of brush that this is, or comb rather, because like there's like little bristles basically, and so like all of your hair is getting heated except for like the top and bottom, like when you would traditionally use a straightener, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's gonna make sense to anybody, but I just think that's why this works so well. And then I've got this last portion right here. Okay, so now I just gotta kind of figure out back here. All right, so now we've got one side done. So now I'm going to go like this, and then wrap that. This comb also comes in 3 different colors, so I have the pink one too. And then obviously there's this one, and then there's like a red one too, which I have all in my TikTok shop, which I'll link this on the video, so. someone also commented on one of my hair videos, and it was like, and I keep laughing about it. They were like, the back of my hair is not my business, get it? Because, like, you don't really see the back of your hair. I know, like, a lot of times, like, because you, like, sometimes you can, like, miss the back, you know what I mean? I don't know, I just thought that was so funny. I wish that I had this back when I was in high school. Honestly, and in middle school, too. Because I did not, my hair, I would, like, attempt to straighten, but then I didn't know how to straighten it. So I would go to school with it, like how I started this video, like, really big. I honestly should find a picture from, like, middle school, because it's so funny. Although, now that I'm thinking about it, that's, like, before social media was really big, so there's, like, minimal photos, and I just feel like that's probably for the best. And then, per usual, I also have these baby hairs, new hairs, so I like to style those too. Well, obviously not really styling, but just straighten them. And this is most of my hair. Like, this bottom layer is, like, the biggest portion of it. Apologies if you're watching this whole video and you really don't want to. I mean, I don't know why. Ooh, hello. I don't know why anyone would really want to watch this, but, I mean, I would. Not for the sake of watching me, but, like, if I want a review of something, you know what I mean? Like, I like real-time reviews, which is why I'm doing this. And it seems like you guys did, too, so. All right, we got 3 minutes left on the clock. Going a little bit slower today than last time. That's okay. Because the top is super quick to do. Also, can you guys tell that I added some more brown into this? I was talking to my hairdresser, and I was like, this might just be the road back to brown, because I've been telling you guys for months now that I've had the urge to just, like, dye my hair like a chocolatey brown, and I haven't done it, but we might be working our way back. I don't know yet. We will see. And this is piece on top that's, like, got a little curl to it. Okay. This is because I did it in a big chunk that I had to go over it, I feel like, multiple times. Okay, and now, oh no, I want to do this. Right there. Right there. You guys see that little curl? I had to get it. Okay. And now we've got this piece right here. And this side is, like, thinner just because of the way my part is. So this side is always the easiest and the quickest to just kind of brush out, straighten out, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know if y'all have finished Christmas shopping yet, but we're getting really close to Christmas, so this is, like, the last chance to get this for Christmas for yourself or for someone else. And you can always add product to this. I know a lot of people were asking me, like, do you add product in your hair? I really don't use product in my hair, just besides, like, my shampoo and conditioner. That's pretty much it. So we've got I gotta fix my part. There we go. We've got a 10-minute hair transformation. Again, you could add, like, product to this or whatever. Ooh, I'm almost at the 10-minute mark, so I will leave the link to this in the TikTok shop right here. And yeah,